And hello everyone, BNS7777 here. Looks like 2 videos today. Okay, so in this video we are checking out the new route. I know I'm doing the review like 2 days late. But anyways, so it's called the Trains Route Alfie, Alfti, or is it Oofty? It's either Alfti or Oofty through Miname. It's hard to pronounce for me for some reason. So yeah, blah blah about that. Yeah, no one really cares. So I already have the test set up. Comes with some new engines. Comes with a few actually. One of them I think I missed. Wait, nope, missed none. Thinking of a different thing. Alright. Now that that's done. So yeah, these cars were always, well, not always in the game. But if you got the Winter and the ALPS in the Alps route, you get these cars. Or if you got this route, you get these cars. So yeah. This engine right here, which is called the Renfe 1600. It's like this. It has a reused horn like always. And here's a second common cab interior. So let's let that thing go. Next up is a DL5000 white. Or is it? I think it's, yeah, it's DL500. But the thing about the other DL500 is that this one is double-sided. So yeah, this is the forward cab. This is the backwards cab, so let's head back into the forward. Same horn as the other one. Let's let that one out of here too. Even though he's passing a red light. Next up over here we have the Renfe Class 340. No ditch lights though. Reused horn, new passenger cars, and if you listen closely, like you have to have like a bunch of them to actually hear it. Oh, is this an actual turntable? Dang it, it isn't. That'd be really cool though. You have to have a whole bunch of them and the engine's pretty far away. But if you listen closely, they have like a special passenger car sound effect. So yeah, it's a reused inside on both sides. Now as you can see here, these two cars are different. Because one has that yellow thing, the other one doesn't. So let's get him out of here and get onto the steam engine. The steam engine is new to some people, but not all if you've gotten some certain sessions. Alright, so this one is the PKP OK1 steam engine. That's the horn. This is the bell. What a bell. This is the interior. The thing that sucks about steam trains is that when you put shoveled coal, it doesn't shovel any coal. But yeah, I'm not sure if this is a glitch with mine, but it won't move for me. It only works for me in easy mode. So yeah, the route is decent sized. Wait, what? Weren't there 4 trains? Oh, two of them got combined. Wait, why can't I catch up with it though? Lol, fail. And it does come with a new railroad crossing thing. It's not an actual crossing though. It's just like those pads. Well, they're not pads, but hold on. We'll see what I mean in a second. So right here, these. So yeah, you should know what I'm talking about by now. Yeah, those tracks goes nowheres. Give me a moo. Meow, meow. I'm a cow. Said meow, meow. I'm a cow. That bell does get annoying after a while. So yeah, you guys practically get the idea. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to BNSFDI 7777. Goodbye!